Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a TOST Quantitative honest review if it is legit or a scam. So, as you can see, these things are called Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes are mainly, hey, click a button and you'll get rich. These type of things don't really exist, guys. Like, come on, if there was something like a magical thing that hey, you could just click on a button and get rich, then everyone on earth would be rich. Just think to yourself, if you had one of these to yourself, would you do it only for yourself or will you release it like an app for others? Obviously, you won't. You would want that all to yourself, and that is what Toast is. Although some people do say that, hey, we've been able to get this amount of money or that amount of money, still, if it's not someone you actually know in your life, you should not go for this. It is a task scam, as you can see, most of the people on Reddit say. Another website, it also says the same thing, that this is a quantitative click a button Ponzi scheme. As you can see, it operates from 5 known domain websites, so just don't go for it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.